How to fix site can't be reached problem on Chrome. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your web browser Google Chrome. Once you're in the home page of Chrome, click on this three dot at the bottom right corner of the screen and then move into History. All the sites that you have visited before will be visible to you in this list. You have to clear this history, so tap on Delete Browsing Data at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select the time range that you want to delete. Let me select all time. Once done, tap on Delete Browsing Data at the bottom, and then once again click on Delete Browsing Data. Once the history has been cleared, now the next thing you want to do is go back and once again click on this three dot. Move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Privacy and Security, and then move into Safe Browsing. Right now you can see that the settings is set to Standard Protection. Now what you want to do is change it to No Protection. Now simply click on Turn Off. After turning off No Protection, it might fix the issue that you have been facing on Chrome, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix the site can't be reached problem on Google Chrome. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.